Wix Scroll Text on Page Scroll tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make the scrolling effect to a text into your Wix website. The process is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you are going to be good to go. The sliding effect or the scrolling effect for the text vertically or not vertically here we are going to put a horizontal effect into the text that will slide whenever we are going to scroll here vertically just like this. So we are going to head over wix.com, then we are going to sign in into our account, select one of the websites that we have, and then we are going to visit the dashboard. So here this is the first thing. So we are going to click on edit site or design site and it will open up the website itself. Now the most important part here is to head over Canva. So we are going to design something. So here we are going to, let's say here, design a little strip or a little text and we are going to make it animated. So I'm going to click on create custom or create a new or custom size. So for the height, we are going to keep it 75. And for the width, I'm going to put it as 1,500 or 1,750. So we are going to put here a slim clip, as you can see, or a strip, and then we are going to modify it. Now, what I am going to do is to add some or to have some texts added in here. So I'm going to click on add text heading. So this heading is going to be a little bit bigger or big. So we are going to put this. So basically what I'm going to do is to duplicate this text multiple times. And we are going to have the between the text modification, we are going to have some little animations. So for example, here we are going to type in, we can type breaking news, for example. We can type in flash sale if you have a, let's say, the Wix stores integrated. So basically, I'm going to delete all of these and I'm going to put this in here. Just like that. Boom, boom. I did something wrong here, but it is okay. So here we have it. I don't know why I keep making these errors, but it is okay. So I'm going to put that in here. Now what I'm going to do is to add some elements. So basically here I'm going to add this, and this is an element. So I'm going to put it here at the end. Or maybe we are going to put this a little bit here and duplicate that also in here. Okay, like this. Boom. So now what I am going to do here is to add some gifts. So here we have the elements. Let's say here gifts. So we are going to see the some dynamic, let's say graphics. I'm going to see here what do we have. So I think that it did not get our needs. So it is okay. We're going to type in here discount and we are going to see the different graphics. So we are going to only see the dynamic ones. Here we have the static, but it is something okay. So we are going to add this. I'm going to put here some different, let's say here designs, and we are going to put it in here. I'm going to put this, copy it, put it here. Now we are going to add here offer, for example, and see until we see some graphics here animated. Let's see here if we have some animated offers. Yes, we do have. So this special offer, I'm going to put this, make it a little bit smaller because the band is going to be big. here. So we are going to add as many as we want from these type of GIFs. So we are going to make it a little bit smaller, just like that. Boom. And now what are we going to do is to have this, for example, click and put it in here. We have only one place left. So what I'm going to do is to add another one. So just like that. Maybe this is sufficient. Boom. Now what I'm going to do is to download this strip as a GIF. So we are going to click on download. We're going to get it as a GIF. Click on download and we are going to wait for it. Now, here we are going to head over our Wix website and we are going to add a new section. So I'm going to add this section. Why is this section confused with these images? I don't know. So this is, I think that was not the perfect section to where to add. I'm going to click on add here. I'm going to change the background color of this section to white. And we are going to add an element to it. Basically, I'm going to add a strip. Here, I'm going to select a classic strip, for example, this one. And we are going to make that strip a little bit smaller. So where is it? This is the strip, I think. Yes, this is the strip. So we are going to adjust the height of it. So where is it? Yes, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just like that. So we are going to put here the same height, which is going to be 75, just like that. Boom. Now the maximum strip width was, as you can see, 1413. So you can go ahead and keep this as an example. I'm going to make here the this bar or this section as a little bit wider. So this is the strip. It has been like that. Boom. And I'm going to let it as it is. Now let's see here the GIF. So I think that it is downloaded. Now what I'm going to do is to add an image. So basically we are going to click on image and we are going to add it in here. So I'm going to upload an image real quick. I'm going to deposit my image in here or my GIF and wait for it. So it is not going to take a lot of time. So boom. Now I'm going to click on add to page. When it finishes like this, and we are going to see in here. Basically, we're going to stretch it here to what size you want. I'm going to make it here. This is a big, as you can see, design, so we have no problem with it. I'm going to stretch it here to the max, and boom. Now, what are we going to do here is to focus on the scroll, and we are going to add an animation to it. So here, we are going to head over the scroll, and you are going to see the animation to the scrolling. So we have dart, we have here stretch, we have everything. So we are going to head over dart. I'm going to click on this, and normally we are going to have the effect. So I'm going to click on save, and then we are going to preview the effect. So I'm going to click on preview and wait for it. So this is our preview. So basically this is the effect. As you can see, here we have it. It is going to be scrolling to the left and to the right when we go back. And here we have it. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.